Hello, friend. Happy New Year from one of your favorite spots, Ocean Drive, South Beach, Florida. Hope each of you had a great holiday season. We're going to take a walkabout. Today's nice and sunny. The temperature now is roughly 72. This morning, when I woke up, maybe around 6:30, it was 48 degrees. So you can see how the temperature changes in South Florida. What are your New Year's resolutions? Did you make any? Sometimes it's gotten to the point where we make so many resolutions that we stop making them. But it's always a good checkpoint to find out where we are. My prayers are for peace, prosperity, kindness, empathy. And there was something else, I forget. Okay, it's roughly 12 o'clock. The sun is out. Everyone is starting to enjoy their New Year's Day. Okay, do you think I should get my exercise on here? I think maybe I should. They have the weights out today. Well, maybe a little later. Earlier we were talking about New Year's resolutions, and I suspect we all want to have what it is that we choose, but we want to be healthy, happy in the process. So again, today is going to be a milestone. It can mark the beginning of a journey. Yesterday can mark the end. It's busy here. The end of one phase of the journey. Another page in the chapter. We go day by day to improvement. I'm gonna go over to the beach. Maybe I should say go over to the water line. And being that it's 12 o'clock, the sun is a little high. So what that really means is those that want to get suntan, they may be there. Then I'm gonna come back to the street and we'll walk about a little bit on the street. Tell me, what do you prefer? Do you prefer the beach, the sand, the ocean? Or do you prefer walking about on the beach, on Ocean Drive? I did a video a couple of days ago from Hollywood Beach, and I'd mentioned that Hollywood Beach seasonally will get roughly 600 to 800,000 Canadians, and I indicated that one of the differences between the patrons that frequent that beach and here was going to be, I'm going to call it the age of the patron, nationality of the patron, and I'm going to say activity level of the patron. At Hollywood Beach, we did have a number of people that Basically, they bought the tents, they bought the umbrellas, and you can tell they were going to be there for the entire day. Here, we have some of those, but we don't have as large of a population. I guess the average patron of this beach, I'm going to repeat myself, but I'm calling the South Beach area originally it was between 5th and 15th. Now it's stretched from probably 1st Street to roughly 20, 22, 25. But these patrons may be here for 4 hours or less. They're going to be a little bit younger, a little bit more active, but nevertheless, they still will enjoy. The sun. You can see we're starting at 6th Street. I'm not sure if you noticed it when we were at Hollywood Beach, but notice the languages sometimes in the background. Here, also notice the ambient language in the background also. I will keep moving. Again, this is my lesson learned. South Pier is there. Not only South Pier is there, but you have the sun there, which is going to give a darker reflection. So therefore, I'm going to turn in this direction, and hopefully you will see a little bit more definition. Okay. Again, you have something for everyone. Okay, you can identify where the sun is based on how they lay out to catch the sun. It's interesting. I have on long pants. Yes, I said earlier this morning it was cold. I have on long pants, a long shirt, but nevertheless, the water is calm. So being that the water is calm today, it's a little bit more friendlier for the young ones.
That's what I want to do.
Oh yeah, it's still, I'm gonna say it's still cold as it comes against your feet. So I will